Here we go, super overtime. Short delivery, straight away, change of length.
Good start from Daniel. Just a bit too quicker for Habibur Sohan. That brings Saklan back on strike.
It's never easy to come in. You've been sitting out and you're not warmed up. It's hard to sight the ball. Remember, the bowler has been fresh, coming off a recent over. That's why they say it's very important to warm up.
Gone are the days, Salman, but when we used to play, you get out, early shower, no more, because in white ball cricket, super over is on. You got to be switched on.
I think when I was playing, there was a super over, so it's taken me like a decade back.
Salman is not too old, man.
That's something to debate about. We'll talk about it later. Bounce again. Ahmed Danial backpedals and takes it. Very good catch of his own bowling. The momentum is going so forward as the follow through puts the break, runs back and takes an easy catch.
He is a wonderful athlete. He just bowled it, the hard length, the extra effort ball, giving less time to Saklan, who tried to go big, understandably, and didn't get any timing. And as you just mentioned, putting the brakes on, running back and completing a decent catch.
Yeah, banking on his strength, Ahmed Danial. Even the first ball that he bowled, banged into the length. Once again, too good for Saklan. He completes a very good catch in the end. Saklan departs without troubling the scorers. Bangladesh A, 1 for 1.
Jishan Alam, the last man in. Down the leg side, Ghazi Gori got an hand but just not good enough. Rubbing salt into the wound, wide, goes to the boundary.
That's a gift. That's a gift from Ahmed Danial. Down the leg side, wide, 5 runs. Pressure, that's pressure, Salman.
No need to change, not at all. There's a fresh batter coming in who wasn't expecting to bat 10 minutes go back in time, and now you just want to change your length. Not the right idea. And the keeper, well, he has had a tough time in the last 2 games.
Tailing down the leg side, hint of reverse swing. Ghazi Gori, that's a valiant attempt. Fingertips and goes to a boundary. That's encouraging stuff for Danial right throughout in the death overs in the tournament. He's been getting the ball to tail back in to the right hander. He has to start around the 4th off stump to finish swinging around middle stump. Much better and clean bowls him. Length delivery, probably Jishan Alam expecting a fuller delivery. He misses it and Danial strikes for the second time.
Exactly as you just mentioned, just start from outside the off stump, and that length, once again the hard length, brings the undoing of Jishan, and the Bangladesh innings is over at 6 runs. Half the over bowled, 7 to get for Pakistan.
Yeah, 3 balls to go. Bangladesh are done. Both their wickets are gone. Jishan Alam must have thought that he should have played that for a single. Maybe Bangladesh should bat those first over, that 6 balls. 6 already on the board. Bangladesh are done. Yeah, left and right hand combination, not a bad call. It's going to be interesting to see how they go about. They just need 7 to win.
Power point and extra cover. Here comes Nippon. Yorker straight away, bang on the money. Could be going down the leg side. The umpire will signal for a leg bye.
Yeah, what a start. Pretty much expected though from Ripon to eye those block hole. Yeah, from Bangladesh's point of view, a couple of dot deliveries might put the Pakistani batters under some sort of pressure.
Dot balls and preferably a wicket. That is what Bangladesh should be looking for. And for Pakistan, they need to know it's just 1 hit away.
Into reverse swing, was tailing back in. to the right-hander, which will go away from the left-handed Mas Sadakat. Field remains the same. In the slot, running to spirit stroke. Direct it would have had him. It was excellent cricket. That was excellent by Ripon Mandal. Off his own bowling, following through, trying to take the stumps off at the non-strikers end.
How good Ripon has been. On the target, under pressure, delivering the goods. Brilliant execution of the Yorker length delivery. Time and again, when Bangladesh has required, he has come up with the goods.
Great control, must say. Never easy bowling those Yorkers. And he's bowled 2 on 2. Here comes Ripon.
Full toss. Fine leg in the circle. That's a dangerous line to bowl. And Saad Masood, a good pace of that. That went like a bullet to the boundary. And Sufyan Mukim, he has to remember there's one more run to be made.
That is excitement. He ran as if Pakistan had won the trophy already. Ball back from the ring. Look at him. Look at the dressing room enjoying. They know they require one now. And Bangladesh would require a miracle.
It's not finished until it's finished. Sufyan Mukim, it was lovely to see. He was sprinting in almost to the 30-yard circle. He was asked to go back. Brilliant. But under pressure, Shad Masood, what a shot. There was pace, there was hint of reverse swing. He went with the swing. And Pakistan Shahis, they can sense it. It's just one run away.
No more drama required. Yes, Ripon.
Oh, inside edge and misses the stump. And with that, Pakistan Shaheens wins it in the super over. They become the only side to win this particular competition 3 times out of 7. Shahins are the best team by far, remain unbeaten right throughout.
Great scenes there in the ground. The Pakistan players run out. They celebrate this win. Wonderful defense of a total which was far less than what was expected of them. 125 defended in magnificent fashion. Match going to the super over. Bangladesh matching them ball to ball, wicket to wicket. And in the end, the super over belongs to Pakistan. Great game, great Edwards for the Asia Cup.
This is by far the best final, the best tournament of the Asia Cup Rising Stars. We had everything. Drama, super over, and then Shaheens go on to clinch their 3rd title of the competition.
5th final in 7 years for the Shaheens, and heartbreak for Bangladesh. It's their 2nd time reaching the final. Unfortunately, they have lost both the times, but lot to like about Bangladesh effort with the ball in the field. Captain Akbar Ali, some of the youngsters have risen to the occasion.